Oh, hello, ko. Asu, tor khobor? Acha, ki hoise? Are tor sun business koribo mon asile. Etia ako eburot kiyo humali? Sa, ajikali business koribolo ichha thakilei hoi jay. Kyo, to EduTech Academy naam huna nai niki? Oh, EduTech Academy. Apunalokeo najane niki EduTech Academy bikhoye? Hoy, EduTech Academy, a fully trusted and recognized academy. Jod apunaloke matro 9999 tokat start koribo paribo nijor franchisee business model. EduTech Academy hoise ISO certified aru MSME registered eta institution jod provide kora hoy 100% job oriented certificates. And guess what? Apnaloke jodi mor coupon code SAVE15 use kore apnaloke pabo extra 15% discount. So join the franchisee model today and be a part of India's growing vocational education network. Karon EduTech Academy hoite apnaloke okol nijor business start nokore. You are building a career for yourself and giving opportunity to the students.